How to connect Tone Wallet to Dogs Bot in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect your wallet with Dogs Bot. First of all, you just have to come to this Dogs Bot. You can even join into it by clicking on the link that I have given you in the description. Now once you are in your Dogs Bot, you just have to click on the connect wallet button that you see on the home page. So let me just wait for some time until it is checking my account. So as you can see that this is my account and now it is created. Here you will be able to see your dog's score and the connect wallet option. So you need to tap on the connect wallet option and then you need to select the Tonkeeper wallet. After that, it will redirect you on tonkeeper.com where you just have to simply install the Tonkeeper wallet if you haven't already. Then you just have to simply tap on the connect button if you see on the home page. After that, you will be able to easily connect it with the Dogs Bot, and it is very necessary for you to do if you want to claim the Dogs airdrop. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.